every time someone clicks. Do you know you can make money out of that action? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online per click on Google. If you open up Google and search for anything, so for example, let's say you want to search for what is calculus. Of course, Google is going to display some search results. So when you scroll down and choose an article, it's going to load up and you can start reading. But then again, you're going to see things like this, ads. These are advertisements about some unrelated things being displayed on this article. Now let's go ahead and search for another article, university scholarships. When you open up the article and you start reading, you're going to immediately see ads on this article. As you can see, sometimes the ads that is being displayed on the article is related to what the article is talking about. Now let's go again to Google and search for one last article. In this case, I'm going to be opening a blog from a Cameroonian news blogger, Mimi Mefo Info. Once the article is done loading, you are going to immediately see ads on this article. This is an ad. When you scroll down again, you're going to see another ad. So this is another ad. There are ads displayed all over her blog. You can see ads both on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Now, all of these articles that I've opened have one thing in common. They have ads displayed on the blog. Do you know if I click an ad displayed on the blog, whether mistakenly or knowingly, the person who owns the blog is going to make money from my click? Yes, you heard that correctly. Google pays per ads click. A lot of people think that Google is just a search engine platform where they could just easily go to the search bar and type in a question that they have, and Google will immediately spit out the answer of that question in the form of articles, pictures, or even videos. But Google is much more than that. Now, this is how Google works. Yes, Google is a search engine, but Google is also a huge advertisement platform. This advertisement platform is called Google Ads Service. This is where businesses and entrepreneurs go to Google to pay them so that they can advertise their products for them. Now, as you already know, Google is ranked the #1 most used platform in the entire world. And so because of this, millions and millions of entrepreneurs all over the world go to Google so that Google can advertise their products and services on their platform so that they could easily reach a massive audience. But it came a time where Google could no longer handle the influx of businesses coming up to them to do their advertisement. So they did what any sensible business person should do: scaling the business and partnering with others. So Google decided that instead of saying no to these entrepreneurs and then losing all of the money that these businesses are willing to pay them in order to run ads for their products, they would rather share the money with people like you and I, people who are willing to write, bloggers. That is where the Google AdSense program came in. Google launched the AdSense advertisement partnership program and partnered with bloggers to display some of their ads on their blogs. And in so doing, they can make money from these blogs, and the bloggers too can make money from the ads. Now, before I tell you how you can make money online with Google AdSense, let's first of all take a look at what Google AdSense is all about. So what is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is a pay-per-click advertisement program where Google places ads on your blog and you make money when people, or in this case, visitors, come to your blog and then click the ads. So that is basically what Google AdSense program is all about. Okay, now that we've gone through all the basics of how Google works and what the Google AdSense program is all about, how can you make money with the Google AdSense program? Now, just like I said, it is a pay-per-click advertisement program. Google charges advertisers per ads click. So once Google charges these people to run ads for their products and services, Google is going to place their article on the front page of Google. If you go to Google now and do a search result, you're going to find ads placed on almost all the front pages of Google. So every time you do any search on Google, you can just scroll down and you're going to see ads on the front page. That is basically how Google makes money, promoting other people's products and services on their platform. So the best way to make money with Google per click is to join the AdSense program. So then, how can you join the AdSense partnership program so that you can make money online per click with Google? So the first step is you need to own a blog. There is absolutely no way you can join the Google AdSense program if you don't have a blog. Now, I know this might sound frustrating, especially for those who don't have a blog. But if you seriously want to make money online and eventually turn it into a full-time business in the long run, then I will recommend you own your own blog. Now, it doesn't mean you cannot make money online without a blog, but seriously, the truth is you're going to have a lot of limitations compared to someone who already has a blog. To create a blog nowadays is quite easy. All you need to do is to pay for hosting and domain name. Now, a hosting is basically where your blog or your articles are going to live. It's like a house for your blog. Whereas a domain is like the address of your blog. It is the name that your blog can be identified with. For example, my blog name is techiefunds.com, so that is my own domain name. Bluehost is one of the most trusted hosting platforms out there. A lot of bloggers, including myself, use Bluehost. It is cheap, safe, and secure. Bluehost offer you a free domain name, and they also offer you free SSL certificate, which is basically like protection for your website. And they also have a 24 hours customer support system. This is where you can chat with a support team representative using live chat or phone support calls. So this is very helpful if you need a quick technical support for your website. Now, once you have created your blog, the next thing you need to do is to write articles and publish on your blog. Now, if you're someone who doesn't like writing a lot, then don't worry, there is still a way out. Writing blog posts have become way easier than you think. That is because of the help of artificial intelligence. Nowadays, you can use helpful writing assistance tool like copy.ai to generate blog articles for you easily without even writing. I've created a step-by-step tutorial on how to use copy.ai to generate blog articles for you without writing. So I'm going to leave the link of the video in the description box. But just a disclaimer, if you use helpful writing assistance tool like copy.ai to generate or to auto-generate blog articles for you, then make sure you check for plagiarism. Now, once you have your blog ready and then you have published like 20 plus articles on your blog, then you can apply for the Google AdSense partnership program. You can just go through the website and read the terms and conditions of joining the program so that you can be sure if your blog is ready to join the program. Now, let's look at how much you can make with the AdSense program. Now, the cost per click on a Google Ads ranges from $0.2 up to $60. Because Google shares ads revenue with bloggers, then once these ads are being placed on your blog, then Google is going to pay you 68% of the ads revenue per click, while they're going to collect 32% of the ads revenue. So let's say Google charges the advertiser $1 per ad click. That means that is the cost per ad click. So if this ad is placed on your blog and a visitor comes and click that ad, you're going to receive 68% of that $1, which means you're going to be paid $0.68 per click. And Google, on the other hand, is going to be making 32% of the $1, which is $0.32 of the ad click. Now, imagine if 100 visitors come to your blog and clicks that ad. So that means you're going to be making $0.68 times 100 visitors, which is equal to $68 per click. Now, imagine if the ads per click cost more than $1. So let's say it costs $6 per ad click. Now, if you do your calculation, you discover that 68% of $6 is $4.08 per click. So if 100 visitors click that ad in 1 month, you're going to be making at least $400 per month. So just imagine if the number of visitors on your blog increases. That means you're going to be making more money per ad click. Now, let's assume you live in Africa. If you convert the $400 to your currency, so for example, let's say I'm going to convert it to francs CFA. Since I'm a Cameroonian, you can convert it to your own currency. So in francs CFA, $1 is equal to 500 francs. Now, sometimes it is more than that, but generally it is never lower than 500 francs. If I multiply $400 times 500 francs, it's going to give me 200,000 francs CFA. Now, this amount is more than the minimum wage in Cameroon. So that means if you have a blog and you monetize it, you can at least live comfortably right here in Cameroon. So just imagine if you monetize your blog with other income streams like affiliate marketing. So this is really a cool way of making money online. Now remember, the results are not typical or guaranteed. You can make more or less depending on a lot of factors with the Google services. So you can do your own background research and see how you can make more and improve on your earnings. Now, one last thing I want to make mention of is you can also estimate the amount of money that you can make with AdSense on your blog. So you can just go to the AdSense calculator, fill in your category and your country, and you can then estimate how much your blog can make you with a Google AdSense program. So you can see how much you can earn with Google AdSense per the number of visitors that you get on your blog. In essence, to make good money with Google, let's say at least $1,000 per month, then you need to rank your blog on the first page of Google. Meaning when people go up to Google to search for a topic that you've already written a blog post on, then your blog article should appear on the first page of Google. Now that has to do with SEO, which is a whole topic on its own. If you're just starting a blog, then you could potentially be making between $50 to $100 per month with Google AdSense. But there are other ways that you can monetize a blog, for example, with affiliate marketing. I'm going to leave a link of a video that shows you how you can make money doing affiliate marketing. Okay guys, so I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, please consider hitting the red subscribe button that you see down below, and also do not forget to turn on notification bell so that YouTube can notify you when I upload a video like this. Thank you once more for watching.